voiceover.
What you say, Michelle? Her beautiful niece. You said put a voiceover. Oh, thank you.
That's better, right?
Hi everybody, it's me, Plantine Charlene, and today I am sharing a new purchase from a local nursery here in New York. It's located in Brooklyn, New York. It's a small Black-owned business. He's been there for about 20 years, and he had this plant that I've never seen before. But it's not a rare plant. It's just a plant I've never seen before. So I want to share that with you. Before I move forward, I want to give my shout outs. I want to thank you. If you're watching my video, subscribed or not, I appreciate you. If you haven't subscribed, though, I hope you will consider doing that today. Don't forget to hit that like button, guys. Hit that like button. Comment below. Click the bell to know when a new video has posted. And of course, if you think this content is something that someone would like to see, you can go ahead and share it. But either way, thank you very much for watching my videos. All right, so I'm gonna get to this plant. It's only one plant today. It's in a very large pot, so I'm not gonna be able to pick it up. So I'm gonna do an overview for you guys and kind of go over what I really appreciate about this plant and why I purchased it. So here we go. All right, there it is. You guys see it. It is a beauty, my Chinese Evergreen, aka Aglaonema BJ Freeman. I did have to look that up to find the name because he knew it was an Aglaonema. He just wasn't sure what the exact name was. But it is a beauty. Now you can see that this is a very large plant. So this is part of the reason why I was not able to bring it up to the camera and show you guys. Because one, it's heavy. And two, it wouldn't fit in the camera. So I needed to do this overview or voiceover. The variegation on the leaves to me is beautiful. There's a lot of new growth going on. There's new growth coming from the soil. There's new leaves popping up. I'm very happy with this purchase. When I saw it, I did say to myself, oh, this is probably going to be pricey, because it's an outdoor nursery. It's not a big box store. So I was concerned about the number. I ended up getting this plant for $50, which to me is a very good number because it's in a 14-inch pot. It's a full plant. It's not common to me. Now, it may be common to many people, but I have never seen this variety of an Aglaonema. So getting this in this size pot for $50 was very good, because on average in a 14-inch pot from a nursery, I'm thinking it's going to cost more than that. I've seen more common plants from big box stores and smaller pots coming about in a 12-inch pot about $30. So I was very happy to receive this for $50. I thought the price was reasonable. And he told me, he'll give it to me for $50. So, hey, it works for me. I was thankful. So I did my basic cleaning of the leaves. I rinsed it down. I wiped it down. I took care of everything, even the pot, but I did not take care of the soil yet, because I do have concerns of it being outdoors. I've had it for about 2 weeks or more, and the soil was pretty moist when I got it, and I didn't want to overwater it. The soil is still moist. I haven't watered it since I received it, and I didn't want to do my normal peroxide with water to drain the soil of any type of pest that could be living in there. So I'm going to watch it carefully, and hopefully with time, this plant will be good and it can go into its soon-to-be spot in my home. and make it through this new fall season and through the winter. But here it is, guys, my Chinese Evergreen, aka Aglaonema BJ Freeman. All right, guys, there you have it. That is my Chinese Evergreen, aka Aglaonema BJ Freeman. Now, again, I've never seen this plant before. Aglaonemas have so many different varieties, and this one, I thought honestly it was a Dieffenbachia, and I confirmed with the seller that it is an Aglaonema. I did follow up too with an app to confirm what type of plant it was, and I looked online and it was confirmed it was an Aglaonema, because it really does remind me a lot of a Dieffenbachia. But regardless, I'm happy with this plant. I'm looking forward to it doing well. We are in the fall here in the States, and I live in New York. I go through 4 seasons. Sometimes they forget what time of the year it is, but that's another story for another day. So I'm hoping that this plant will do well over the fall and winter seasons, and come spring, it'll still be as full as it is now, if not fuller. So there you have it. I appreciate you guys again for watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and click that bell to know when I've posted a new video, and share my content as needed. That's it, guys. Have a blessed one. Stay healthy, stay safe, and thank you. Bye. Peace out. Bye-bye.